Every place has a beginning. Long before opening day, there's a vision taking shape. This project began digitally, ideas refined through design, collaboration, and careful planning, turning concept into something ready to be built. Inside our Worcestershire facility, 6 steel-framed modular bays were formed simultaneously. When ready, each module made the journey to Cambridge, transported to an active, growing community. On site, the transformation accelerated. Despite the challenges of a live construction environment, teamwork drove the build forward. What emerged is more than a building. A blend of convenience store, cafe, bar, and community hub. A space designed to bring people together from the moment the doors open.